Hi friends, very good morning. Welcome to Anu Academy. In today's class in our channel, we are going to discuss QABD subject quantitative analysis for business decision. So in today's class, our topic is assignment problem. We are going to discuss assignment problem. So definitely you will get a question from assignment problem. This is from your second unit. So second unit is from you will get one question from transportation and another question from assignment. So let us start today's class. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. Please like and share our channel. Okay, now we'll start today's class. See, this is the problem. Using the following cost matrix, determine optimal job assignment and the cost of assignment. So always in our assignment, the cost should be minimized. Now we will see how we can minimize. So this is the problem. So here you can see these are the mechanics A, B, C, D, E, and these are the jobs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now we'll start seeing the solution. Select the smallest element in each row and subtract the smallest element from all the elements in each row. So which is the smallest element in each row? See, first go back to the problem. So first what we have to do, we have to select the smallest element in each row and subtract this smallest element from all the elements in each row. Okay, so this each row, see which is the smallest, 2 is smallest, so we have to subtract 2 with entire row. So see here, 10 minus 2 we are writing 8, 3 minus 2 1, 3 minus 2 1, 2 minus 2 0, and 8 minus 2 6. Okay, so next row which is the smallest, 2 is the smallest, so 9 minus 2 we are writing 7, and 7 minus 2 5, 8 minus 2 6, 2 minus 2 0, and 7 minus 2 5. Okay, now third row which is the smallest, again 2 is smallest, 7 minus 2 we are writing 5, 5 minus 2 3, 6 minus 2 4, 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus 2 it is 2. Okay, and fourth row again 2 is the smallest, 3 minus 2 1, 5 minus 5 minus 3, 5 minus 2 it is 3. Okay, you can see, and 8 minus 2 6, 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus 2 2, and fourth row which is the smallest, 6 is smallest, so 9 minus 6 it is 3. Okay, you can see here, 9 minus 3 it is 9 minus 6 it is 3, 10 minus 6 it is 4, and 9 minus 6 3, and 6 minus 6 0, and 10 minus 6 it is 4. Okay, we have minimized rows. Now we'll go for the column. Next matrix, see here, subtract the minimum element from each column and subtract this element from all the elements in its column. With this we get the first modified matrix. Okay, so what we have to do here, we have to subtract with the columns. Okay, so we have to subtract with the columns, right? So which one? From previous matrix only we have to subtract. Okay, now from previous matrix only we have to subtract. So here you can see, if in this column which is the smallest, 1 is smallest, so 8 minus 1 7. Okay, and 7 minus 1 it is 6, and 5 minus 1 it is 4, 1 minus 1 0, and 3 minus 1 it is 2. Okay, so next column which is the smallest, 1 is the smallest, so 1 minus 1 it is 0, and 5 minus 1 4, 3 minus 1 2, 3 minus 1 2, and here this is 3 minus 1 it is 2 again, 4 minus 1 it is 3. Okay, next third column, you can see third column again 1 is the smallest one, so minus we have to subtract 1 with the entire column. So 1 minus 1 is 0, 6 minus 1 it is 5, and 4 minus 1 it is 3, and 6 minus 1 it is 5, and 3 minus 1 it is 2. Okay, so fourth is always 0, so keep all the zeros here. And fifth column, you can see fifth column which is the smallest one, 2 is the smallest, so my subtract 2 from with the entire column. Okay, 6 minus 2 it is 4, 5 minus 2 it is 3, 5 minus 2 it is 3, and 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus 2 it is 2. Okay, so now we got first modified matrix. Okay, see students, all the steps you have to write like this only, then only you'll get good marks. Okay, now we have got the first modified matrix. Next, what we have to do, we are going to solve the assignment using the Hungarian principle. Okay, na? Right, so now you can see our modified matrix is ready. So in this modified matrix, we draw the minimum number of lines to cover all the zeros. So where are the zeros are there, draw the lines horizontal or vertical. See here you can draw first line, you can draw one line because we are having zeros, so one line. Here we are having zeros, draw the line. We are having zeros, draw the line. We are having zeros, draw the line. Okay, after drawing the zeros, what is the next step? Number of lines drawn to cover all zeros is 4 is equal to n. So the order of matrix is small n is equal to 5. So how many lines we have to get? 5 lines. But how many lines we got? Only 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right. So here what is happening? Capital N is less than n. So what is the next step here? See, now we get the second modified matrix by subtracting the smallest uncovered element from the remaining uncovered elements and adding it to the element at the point of intersection of lines. So here you can see now these are the uncovered elements. Okay, so in this uncovered also, which is the smallest? 2 is the smallest. So subtract 2 with all the uncovered elements and add these 2 to the intersecting, okay, intersecting numbers. Now we will see how we are getting. Okay, so here 2, I'll show here 2 minus 4 minus 2, it is 2, so we are writing here 2, right? And 5 minus, see 5 minus 2, we are writing 3, we are writing here 3, and 2 minus, you can see 2 minus 2, so this is 0, right? 3 minus 2, we are writing here 1, okay, and 2 minus 2, 0, we are writing 0 here, and 5 minus 2, we are writing 3, so this is 3, and you can see 3 minus 2, it is 1, we are writing 1 here, and 2 minus 2, it is 0. Okay, so 2 we are supposed to add here, no? So this is one intersection, this is one intersection, this is one intersection. So 7 plus 2, 9. Here 0 plus 2, it is 2, 4 plus 2 is, it is 6. So we are writing, so 9, 2 and 6. Okay, now understood? Right. Now number of lines drawn to cover all zeros, n is equal to 5. The order of matrix is small n is equal to 5. Hence capital N is equal to small n. Now we determine the optimum assignment. So all the 5 lines we have obtained here in this modified matrix. So showing that capital N is equal to small n. Okay. Now we are going to write the optimum assignment. Okay, we are going to write the optimum assignment. Okay, so write same matrix here. In this we are going to write the optimum assignment. So what is happening here? You can see first row contains more than, see first row contains more than 1 0. So proceed the second row, it has exactly 1 0. So the corresponding cell is B4. Okay, B4. Circle this 0, thus making an assignment. So mark into, so remaining corresponding zeros mark into, so like this you mark into. Okay, why we are marking into? Because showing that they cannot be used for making other assignments. Okay, we are marking into, so that we are showing that they cannot be used for other assignments. Now row 5 has a single 0 in the cell E3. So E3 row 5, it has single 0, making an assignment in this cell and cross second 0 in the third column. So you cross this one. Okay, finished. Right, next row 1 has a single 0 in the column 2. Okay, what is happening here? Next row 1 has a single 0, row 1 has single 0 in the column 2, so that is A2. Okay, so make an assignment in this cell. So we are making the assignment in this cell and cross the other zeros in the second column. So these are, we are crossing. Next, this leads to a single 0 in the column 1 of the cell D1. Okay, so in this cell D1, so we are getting 1. So this is our D1. make an assignment in this cell and cross the other zeros in the fourth one. Okay, so next finally we have a single zero left in the third row, making an assignment in the C5. So this is our final zero. Okay, so like that we are framing this assignment. So thus we have the following assignment. So now write optimal assignment and optimum cost of the assignment. Job 1 2 3 4 5, mechanic D A E B C. We know how we are getting this D A E B C. So go to our previous first problem. So from that we are getting job 1. Okay, job 1. See, you can write C from this matrix for the job 1. So this is D, like that. See, for job 1 it is D, we are writing D. Okay, and for job 2, so A, we are writing A, and for job 3 we are writing E. This is E. Okay, for job 4 B, so we are writing for 4 it is B, and 5 it is writing C. So corresponding cost from the problem. Okay, we are writing the cost. For D it is 3, A it is 3, E it is 9, B it is 2, C it is 4, and we are adding it is 21, and here we are showing the connection, and the minimum cost is 21 rupees. Okay, so that's all friends for today's class. I think all of you understood this assignment problem. If you are having any doubts, please post in the comments box. I will give you a reply. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you for watching.